Hello and welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be swapping the battery in this Toyota remote key. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery. These are available in most stores. We'll pop that to one side and we'll pick the key up just to flip the key over and make sure it's the same as yours before we start. And there's a push button here. If you push that in, this releases the emergency key. This will get you into the vehicle should your remote fail. The location of the lock varies on model to model. We'll keep that in hand at the moment and we'll pick the key back up and we'll just go as if we're slotting it back in, but we're only going to put it in very slightly. We'll hold the key with the first finger and thumb and the rest of it through the other fingers, and then if you just put a little bit of pressure on there, it just releases the back of the key enough to get your two thumbs in there. And as you can see, that comes apart. We'll pop the back down. The battery is placed in this area here. We're going to need a small screwdriver, and if we just go under the edge of the battery cover there, and that should just clip off. As it does, it reveals the battery. Your battery's in positive side up. There's a little cut out at the top there. You just pop your screwdriver in carefully and just release the battery. Okay, your battery, the smooth side is always the positive side, has the positive symbol on. The negative side has a domed edge. So we'll get the new battery and we'll pop that back in, positive side up. We'll just place it into place there, lightly push it down, get the battery cover, pop that into place also. The domed edge goes to the top and that just clips back into place. Get the rear of the key and line everything up nicely, and that just snaps back together. Get your emergency key, pop that back in, and that's job done on your Toyota remote key. Hope that was helpful for you today. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos and we'll see you soon.